My name's Aaron Croman. I'm here to teach you Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to make rainbow eyes. Okay, so we have this picture right here, and we're going to use the lasso tool, and I'm going to select around the eye. And I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. And another way of doing that is to go down to where the little water drop is and go to, well, actually no, it's by the hand. And go to the sponge tool, and you can do it this way as well. And you can, well, set it up to 100%, and you can desaturate it this way as well. Everybody makes mistakes. So remember, Control-Alt-Z or Command-Option-Z if you're using a Mac to undo. A million ways to do a million things. That's the great thing about Photoshop. Now we're going to apply a gradient to it. We're going to go to Layer Effects and go to Gradient. And this isn't what I want. And we can see over here, nah, that's not a rainbow. That's kind of evil. So we want to, so here we have rainbow right here. That's a bit much, but we'll refine it. We can scale the rainbow. We can make it really big so it fills up, but we want to be able to see those colors. So I'm just gonna, there we go. Okay. Another thing we can also mess with is the angle. So if you want it to be sideways or anything like that. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go to the, where it says normal, the layer options, and I'm going to hit multiply. That's one way of doing it. I'm not sure if I like that so much. So let's try out overlay. Yeah, that's much better. But still a little sharp, so I'm going to use a soft round eraser and going to kind of soften the edges a little. And that's how we make a rainbow colored eye. My name's Aaron Croman, and good luck with Photoshop.